Most property investors think tax time starts in June, but the truth is, if you're only thinking about tax at the end of the financial year, you're probably already missing out on thousands of deductions. The start of the financial year is where your tax outcome is actually decided. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what property owners and investors should be doing right now at the start of the financial year to make tax time easier, more accurate, and potentially far more profitable. If you own an investment property or you're planning to buy one this year, this matters more than ever. Tax rules are tightening, deductions are under more scrutiny, and there's a bigger gap forming between investors who are organized and those who are reactive. The investors who stay on top of things from day one of the financial year are the ones who save the most, avoid stress, and don't leave money on the table. So this isn't about just tax time. It's about how you manage your property throughout the entire year. At the start of a new financial year, create an organization system. That means having a clear, dedicated way to track every single income and expense tied to your property from day one. Every receipt, every invoice, every cost recorded as it happens. Because when tax time comes around, you're not guessing, you're not backtracking, and everything is already there. This is where a lot of investors fall behind. They rely on memories instead of records. Once your systems are in place, the next step is to understand what you can actually claim, because this is where most investors get it wrong. Some people overclaim and put themselves at risk, and others miss deductions completely, missing out on potential money back. So what should you be looking at? You've got your obvious costs like loan interest, property management fees, insurance, and repairs. But then there are the ones that often get overlooked. Things like maintenance costs, ongoing ownership costs, such as council rates, and in some cases more complex deductions depending on how your property is structured. Think of your deductions less like a checklist and more like a system. Because if you don't understand the full picture, you're almost guaranteed to leave money on the table. And this is why getting the right advice early in the financial year can make a massive difference, not just at tax time, but across the entire year. Now, the next one is a big one and is still massively underused by property investors: depreciation. This allows you to claim the wear and tear of your property over time, including the building itself and the assets inside it, things like light fixtures, blinds, appliances, and also part of the construction, as they all contribute to your deductions. When this is done properly, it can add up to thousands of dollars in deductions every year. But here's the problem. A lot of investors either don't get a depreciation schedule because they think the property was too old or not worthwhile, or they haven't been given the right advice to take the full advantage of this entitlement effectively. This is one of those areas where a small step early in the financial year can have a long-term impact on your return. Now here's where things really start to separate experienced investors from everyone else. They don't just track what's happening, they plan for it. Because the biggest advantage you have in a new financial year is time. Instead of reacting at tax time, you can actually make decisions during the year that improve your outcome. For example, you might bring forward repairs or delay starting that renovations depending on your position. You might review your loan structure or plan upgrades that improve both rental income and deductions, all within the same financial year. These are big, complex moves, but done at the right time, they can have a real impact. And this is the shift we're seeing more in 2026. Tax isn't just reporting anymore, it's strategy. So if you want to make the financial year easier or more organized and ultimately more effective, don't wait until June to start thinking about your strategy. At DuoTax, we work with property investors to make sure they are claiming everything that they are eligible to claim, saving them thousands each year. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more insights around property, tax, and insurance. And if you want to stay ahead this financial year, check out the other videos on the channel where we break this down even further. Start strong now, and tax time becomes a whole lot easier.